Hi guys, Mark here. Thank you for joining me. This tutorial is going to cover the process of making a simple seized dog leash. Our leash is made out of a piece of rope. A loop is seized on one end to form a handle, and a snap hook is seized into place to form the attachment point for our dog collar. So that's our project. 2 seizings, a bit of stitching, and that's it. First off, we're going to need a piece of rope. Hardware stores carry rope like this, so look around, you should be able to find something. The diameter of my rope is 3/8 of an inch, which fits well into my snap hook. The length of your rope should be at least a foot more than the end result. So if you're making a 5-foot leash, you need 6 feet minimum. I'm going to stitch the snap hook and the handle in place. To do this, you're going to need some thread. The stronger the better. In my case, waxed polyester thread, 0.8 mm in diameter. The lengths used for stitching are about 2 feet per thread. So 2 pieces of thread, a bit over 2 feet in length. You're also going to need a couple of stitching needles. These can be harness needles used for leather or regular sharp needles. As long as they fit your thread, you're good to go. To stitch, we first thread our needles. You simply pierce your thread to secure it into place. Like this, and on the other side. Again, piercing your thread. First, we stitch in our snap hook. Take one of your needles, pass it through one of your parts here. So through, and make sure that both sides here, so this one and this one, are of equal length. Then continue. Take this front needle, pass it through the top part. Like this, and the other needle next to it. Again, starting at the front, and the other needle next to it. Tighten up a bit, and continue. So from the bottom, going up, and with the other needle right next to it. Then from the top, back down, and next to it with the other needle. So getting this sort of a pattern. continue this all the way up to here. So something like this. Then we're going to turn around and do a couple of back stitches. So simply following our pattern a bit back towards the middle. So this one here travels back here, and this one right next to it. So after a couple of back stitches, bring both ends to the same side. Tighten up a bit. Trim off your needles. You may want to tie the two ends together using a reef knot. So this is not really a must, I just do it because I like a bit of extra security. So simply tying the two ends together, trimming them off again, melting the two ends a bit further. We stitch the handle part exactly the same way. The stitching is now covered up and reinforced using a seizing. To do our seizings, we're going to need 2 pieces of type 1 paracord, each 5.5 feet long. Secondly, I recommend using a lacing needle. We now do a couple of seizings to cover up and strengthen the stitching. Take your cord, attach it using a constrictor knot. So you start off with an X, pass around, over the standing end, then under the X. Tighten up at the start of your stitching, making sure that the short end is not too long. It should reach about the middle point of your stitching. So here I'm going to shorten it up a bit. Place the short end alongside your rope. Start your wrapping turns. After a couple of turns, tighten up. When you cover up your stitching, come up in between these 2 parts here, like this. Tighten up firmly. Attach your lacing needle. Pass across your wrapping turns. Down here on the left, up, again here on the right, tighten up firmly. Pass across your wrapping turns again, down here on the left. Up on the right, tighten up firmly, then pass under the bottom cord here, over your 2 cords, under the top one. Tighten up a bit, turn around, do the same thing at the back. So, under the bottom strand, over your two strands, under the top one. Tighten up, trim your cord, melt it to secure it into place. Do the same thing at the handle. And that's our project. A nice looking, practical, easy to make dog leash. Thank you for joining me, consider supporting the site on Patreon, and I'll see you next time.